Hello everybody, today we are doing another video about pointers. In the last video we looked into the basics of the pointers, how we can declare it and how the address behind it behaves. And today we are going into some other things like constant pointers, and we try to work with it and make a swap example. And just those examples, and that's already it for the video after that, and let's do it. First we start with the constant pointer, and here I made a normal example with the pointer that we learned in the first episode of the pointers, and this works as normal as you know it when I started. We choose example 1 for this because I put it in the example 1. We have here the score 1000, we add 500, we have 500 plus, then again, and after that we make a new one and refer it to the pointer, and then we have here the score is still 2000 and the new score is 5000 because they have a different address. But now we make a constant pointer, and for this we put away the initial or the declaration of the pointer before, and we put it here. And this is now a constant pointer, and because of that we cannot declare something new to it. That's why we have an error here, and it says expression must be modifiable, and this means we have to put that away, and for example this as well, because this is not any valuable anymore. And now we can run the program again, and as you can see, the pointer is constant, and we can still add something to it because only the pointer is constant. That means we can only generate one address for this pointer, but our integer, the score, is still changeable because it is not constant, only the pointer. And if you want to change the score to a constant, you can just make here in front of the pointer a constant, and then our score will be constant. And you have to first say that you want to have the score equal to something, and then you can initialize the pointer, and then this makes our score here invalid. We can basically delete that because we cannot add any number to it. And now we can run it, and we see it is 1000, and that's it what we can get out of it. And now we are coming to our swap example. Here we have two examples. One, the first on top, this only with references. And we already did an example with references in our reference tutorials that I did. And the second one is about the pointers that we want to talk about. It is almost the same. It almost also works the same as the references, and it is only that difference that you have to write it different in the pointer sense. And when we run this program now, you can see that we will swap. We have to put example 2. We will swap the numbers. First we have the normal score 150 and 500, and then we swap it with our first example, this swap, and we have changed it, and then we have the other one and we change it again, and we just quickly put our memory in place because we make a new variable, and putting the pointer px into the memory that we can make it equal to the other, and then put it again in that we have it changed on the other side. And that's how this works, and that's already it. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it or learned something watching it. It wasn't a long video today, but I still did my video today. I still learned a little bit for today. And with that said, I say bye.